But if it is satisfying only 1, 2 and 3, then that is called a monoid. These are just names for they exist, so I am writing. And if it satisfies 1, 2, 3 and 4, it's called a group. And if you may want to call it as a 5, if it satisfies 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, it's called an abelian group. Learning science is not about answering a question, but it is a training to question the answers. I believe that we must judge the progress of a student not on the basis of answers that he writes in the examination, but only on the basis of questions that he asks in the class. Because the ability of questioning gives us a window to judge the understanding ability of the student. So I think, in my opinion, the first and important aspect of teaching is to make them ask questions. Now, this is a very, very tough task. We have a group of heterogeneous people with different backgrounds, different knowledge initial states, and we cannot easily make everyone to come out in open and ask questions. There will be a lot of inhibitions, there will be fear, there will be a doubt that others will ridicule, all these problems will be there. But we have to deal with all of them, we have to live with all of them, and yet make some progress in terms of training them to ask questions. This is the only way to really judge whether someone is making a progress or not. Second important thing is how best you teach does not depend on you alone. It depends on you as well as the given set of students. So your teaching should be a function of the group who is attending. Suppose I learnt group theory. I teach everywhere in the same fashion, but the audience in one place may be different from the audience in another place. So your teaching, the content, the method of presenting, and the problems that you choose, the way you present it, everything has to be a function of the set of students or the audience whom you are addressing. So if the audience are ready to receive, then only they will receive. How much ever clear presentation that you make, if the audience have no readiness, then it all goes waste. Now, for that purpose, what we have to do is you have to do an initial exercise of making the audience ready for what you have to teach. Okay. So how to make audience ready is another technical aspect which we will discuss. So you have to have a readiness. If you are not ready to receive, you will not receive.
you.